Poor eyesight is a very common issue nowadays from children to elder age persons. Muscular degeneration is a disorder that affects the retina where image focused on in our eye, like as cataract, glaucoma, and diabetic retinopathy is also causes of poor eyesight. Namaskar, welcome back to Sume Kaya Kalpam. Today I am going to share with you few yogic exercises that will be very effective to increase your eyesight and also helpful to overcome many other eye problems. Before that, I would like to request all of you to take sufficient amount of vitamin A contained foods like green leafy vegetables and yellow to orange fruits and vegetables. If you are consuming non-vegetable or animal foods, then go for retinol containing foods like milk product, liver, fish, egg. Along with that, do practice these 5 simple eye exercise that is very effective. And before the practice, flush your eyes with cold water at least for 10 times. So the first practice is palming. For that, sit any meditative posture. Either you can stretch your legs also. So gently rub your palms till you feel heat. Then place over your eyes and take a deep breath in and feel the warmth of the palms and allow the heat to radiate towards your eye muscles. It will help to relax your eye muscles, and also helps to circulation throughout the eye. Once you feel that no heat is there, again you have to practice it. Rub your palms gently till you feel heat. Then take a deep breath in and place over your eyes. Feel the warmth of the palms throughout the eyes. This is a very good eye exercise before going to bed, and at early morning you can practice these eye exercises for 10 minutes on the bed, and very effective also, along with a balanced diet containing with vitamin A or retinol. Okay, you have to practice this palming at least 5 to 10 rounds early morning and before going to bed. Then the next practice is side viewing. For that, stretch your arms at the shoulder level at the side of your body. Gently bring your arms little bit forward so that you can able to see your both thumb. Keep your thumb upright towards the sky or towards the roof, and without moving your head you have to look each thumb one by one. So inhale and look at the left thumb. Exhale, middle. Again inhale, look at the right. Exhale, middle. Inhale, left. Exhale, middle. Inhale, right. Exhale, middle. Inhale, left. Exhale, middle. Inhale, right. Exhale, middle. So this is the side viewing. Next we will go for the practice of middle and side viewing. Very easy exercises, eye exercises, and practice each exercise 10 round. If you are moving left and right, then look at the left one, then right ones, that is 1 round. Likewise you have to practice 10 round minimum. Then we will go for middle and side viewing. Keep your left fist over the left knee and right arm stretched at the right side, little bit forward, both the thumb facing upward. Here we will start. Look at the left thumb, then with inhalation, just without moving your head, look at the right thumb, then exhale, look at the left, again inhale, right, exhale, left. Likewise you have to practice right hand side 10 round. Then the same practice we have to go through the left hand side. Same position, left arm raise at the shoulder level, little bit forward, right fist over the right knee, both the thumb facing towards the roof. Inhale and look at the left thumb. Exhale, middle. Inhale, left. Exhale, middle. Inhale, left. Exhale, middle. Remember your spinal column and neck should be in a straight line. Without moving your head, you have to gaze at the thumbs. Then exhale, middle. 10 round you have to go for side and middle wing. Then the next practice is rotational viewing. So keep your left palm over the left knee and raise your right arms at the shoulder level in front of you, thumb facing towards the roof. Then without moving your head, just observe the right thumb and make a big circle with the right arms and move your eyes without moving the head along with the right thumb. Along with the right thumb, make a big circle without bending the elbow joint while moving your arms. Right arm, thumb up, inhale, while moving down, exhale. 10 times we will practice this clockwise direction, then after anti-clockwise. While moving up, inhale, while down, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Remember, throughout the practice, try to maintain a smiling face. Relax your eyebrow muscles, relax your facial muscles with full awareness, full concentration. Just move your eyes without moving your head. Bas. Same practice we will do with the left hand. With inhalation, clockwise direction, make a big circle. Look at the thumb without movement of the head. You have to move your eyes, not the head, and look at the thumb, left thumb. Clockwise 10 round, then anti-clockwise. While moving up, inhale, look at the thumb, left thumb. While moving down, exhale. While moving up, inhale, while down, exhale. 10 round clockwise and 10 round anti-clockwise. Remember, throughout the practice you have to maintain a smiling face, eyebrow muscles, facial muscles completely relax. So the next practice and the last practice that we have to do, up and down viewing. Place both the fists on their respective knees by keeping the thumb towards the roof. Then gently inhale and raise your left arm as much as you can till you can able to visualize the right thumb. Exhale, down. Again inhale, raise your left arm, look at the left thumb, raise your left arm till you can able to visualize the left thumb without moving your head. Exhale, down. Again inhale, raise your right arm, look at the right thumb, gaze the right thumb and raise the right arm till you can able to visualize the right thumb without moving the head. Exhale, down. Inhale, left arm up. Move your eyes along with the movement of the thumb. Exhale, down. So each hand you have to practice 10 times. Once right, once left, that is 1 round. Likewise 10 round. Exhale, down. Inhale, up, look up as much as you can. Exhale, down. So this is the 5 simple eye exercise that will help you to get a very good vision along with a balanced diet. I hope this will helpful for you. Along with the balanced diet and regular practices with asanas, definitely will help you to overcome all type of eyesight problem. If you have any chronic eye disorder, don't forget to consult with your doctor. So such type of video, stay tuned with Sumi Kayakalpam. Don't hesitate to subscribe my channel. Take care of your health. Keep smiling. Stay safe. Namaskar. See you soon.